Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all completed your previous assignment of chapter 2? If you completed your previous assignment of chapter 2, then it will be very clear to understand what is angle and what are the rays and what are the arms. Look at here. With your partner, walk around your think room and identify different objects that have angles. Draw the objects and mark all the possible angles. From here, what you have to do is you have to look over the objects which are in your home. You have many objects in your home, right? Like table, TV, bed, door, refrigerator, dining table. Like this, you have many objects in your home. Look in and around your home and find the objects which have many angles. List out the objects and draw the objects and mark all the possible angles inside the given box. Children, listen. I have drawn a model of refrigerator and marked different angles in the refrigerator. Likewise, you have to find different objects from your home and you have to draw those objects inside the box and you have to mark all the possible angles for the objects. Next, how did your partner like your working? You have to get opinion of your parent, either mother or father. You have to get the opinion of father or mother and write two things you did well. In these two stars, you have to write the opinion of your parent. Okay? Look at the next question. One thing I wish you to work on. You no need to write anything in that space because I have to give suggestion for you how you have done the project. So you should not write anything in that dash. In next page, find angles in the bicycle and draw rays to mark them. One has been done for you. Two rays are drawn from a common point which is in red color. This has been done for you. In bicycle, you have so many angles to mark. So you have to find how many angles are there and you have to mark the angles using two rays with a common point and find angles in the bicycle. Near the tire, V shape is there. Near the pedal, so many V shapes are there. So wherever V shapes forms, at that point we can get new angle. Okay, wherever we get a V shape, at that point we get a new angle. Hope you are clear how to find the angle in the bicycle. Using pencil, you have to draw two rays with a common point and mark the angle at a common point. Look at the page companion. Fill in the blanks with the name, vertex and arms of each angle. One has been done for you. Look at the first question. Two rays have been drawn, BA and BC. What is the name of the angle? Angle ABC. The symbol for angle is this. It comes like a triangle, but we should not draw one line in one side. So we have to write name triangle ABC and vertex is common point. Which is a common point? B is a common point. That means vertex. Next one, arms. Arms means two rays. BA is the ray and BC is another ray. So you have to write BA and BC and you have to represent the ray symbol above the letters. So you have to write the letters and above the letters you have to draw a arrow symbol. In this way you have to write arms. So likewise you have to do B, C and D problem by yourself in companion book. Okay children? Hope you are clear with how to find angles, how to write the name, vertex and arms of the angle. Listen to the video properly and write the answer in your book. If you want to see more videos of grade 5 mathematics, just subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch it. Thank you children.